In today's video, we are going to be going through LiveLovePosh's latest release, the Neutral Edit, and I will be doing a quick plan with me and my daily planner. So stay tuned. Hey guys, I'm Tracy and this is A Girl with Plans. I want to thank you all for joining me today. And for those of you that have yet to subscribe, I hope you will consider hitting that subscribe button while you're here. So I have quite a few goodies from the LiveLovePosh newest release, Neutral Edit. I have the box set. Now there are 4 sticker books in this box set. We will take a look at them in a minute. They came as a box set, which unfortunately is temporarily sold out. A few of these should be restocked later on. I will keep you guys updated in my community tab as well as on my Instagram page. So definitely stay tuned to that for more information. But you can still purchase these books individually if you did not want to do the box set. So like I said, we'll take a look at that in a minute. These 15 sets of washi tape. These are the thin washi tapes, the 5mm by 5. And these are super, super cool because I absolutely have grown to love solid color washi. It's like sometimes pattern washi is hard to match up with your decorative elements that you're using to make a spread, and you can always count on solid color washi to help fill out the pages. So this is like a must-have, I feel like, in anybody's collection. So yeah, you get 15 rolls of all these lovely little neutral colors. I love this color palette. And like you did see, you get a decent size of washi on there as well, on the roll. So there we go there. And then this is probably one of my favorite things because I just think these are so neat. So I love my little checklist and make my own checklist. And I love that these are like washi size so they can easily go in your planner covers. So like right here, I can just slip it in there. I have my LiveLovePosh one. You can just put them in here or like that way. So yeah, they easily fit in all of your covers, so you can keep them with you very, very easy. These are very heavy duty metal. Even like this little thin line here is not flimsy. It is sturdy. So this is like a great little washi cutter. So not only good for just cutting your washi, but it also has a functional purpose. So this one is functional boxes. You can see how you have 3 size boxes here plus a smaller one here. So I guess it's technically 4. This could be like your little header box. And then you have a line. And then you have sizes for 3 check boxes for different sizes or however you want. I really like that. Because you never know, like depending upon what you're using it for, you might want to go with the bigger box or just the smaller ones. And then this one is super cool too. So this is the functional checklist and bullet points. So if you want to use like the checklist here, and let's say you just wanted to do the squares, then you can just use this side, right? And you can like use this if you just want to use bullet points by itself. But let's say you wanted the bullet points and the line, you can flip it over this way, do the bullet point and then the line. Like how cool is that? That it's like all together. So it still has that compactness, but it's like a 2-in-1. I absolutely love this. Now I believe they both come in like the rose gold and the gold. I'll double check on that, but you get a discount if you buy both of them together. I believe it's $7 for one or $12 for 2. And you can use my discount code AGWP10 on these, the washi, and individual sticker books. It does not work on box sets, posh boxes, bundles, or anything like that. All right, so those are the first 2 things as part of the release. Now, this was a freebie that I got. The first 300 orders of the Posh box set received this Posh Notes. So I'll just kind of do a quick flip through because now that this is sold out, I'm assuming all of these are now gone as well. But this was a cute little freebie that they gave the first 300 of the Posh box set. Yay. I'm trying to keep these short, so I hope I'm not going too fast. And then here is the free like little journaling card that you get with it. It has like information and stuff on the back, and I just think it's really pretty. It's really pretty for spring. So I'm definitely going to save this and probably use this in March and slide it in my cover to give it some little pizzazz. Now we're going to take a look at the sticker books. Now, most of you or some of you may have already seen these, so I'm going to go through these pretty fast. But yeah, so you get 4 sticker books and the box set. Now, like I said, the box set is currently sold out. However, if it does come back in stock, the price is $80. You cannot use any discount codes on that because that is already a discount, because the individual sticker books sell for $22 each. Now, if you just wanted to buy 3 of the sticker books, 2 of the sticker books, 1 of the sticker books, because you wanted to buy them individually instead of the box set, you can use my discount code on that, and that will make them $19.80 each. Again, I'll have all of that information down in the description box, as well as my affiliate code. I do earn a tiny commission for each time you use the link or the code. So I really want to thank you all in advance. I really do appreciate it. All right, so we have neutral florals, neutral elements, seasonally neutral, and functionally neutral. So this is one of their first functional boxes, functional sticker books that they have had. Like I said, what I'm going to do is I'm not going to talk through the flip through, but I'm going to do the flip through. So I'm not going to tell you guys whether it's paper or clear or anything like that. But all of these, except for the functional one, is going to be a mix of paper and clear. And yeah, if you have any specific questions, you can ask me down in the comments and I will answer them as best as I can. I just don't want this flip through being too long, especially because this has already been released. So yeah, like I said, this sticker book that I'm going to show you first is a neutral florals. All right, there we go with neutral florals. So many pretty ones in here, the tans and the whites. I don't have very many sticker books with those color florals, so I'm super excited for that one. Next, we're gonna look at neutral elements. All right, there we go with neutral elements. Definitely like an all around, like an all year vibes. There's something in here pretty much you can use throughout the year. And now that brings us to a seasonally neutral. I love me a good seasonal book. Such a pretty sticker book. This might be my favorite one thus far. And this set, oh my gosh, this set made me stop. It made me pause. I love this set. This is like my favorite set in all of the sticker books. I just kind of like the lined look of it. Oh my gosh, super excited for that. That's a fall one, so now I have to wait. All right, and finally we have functionally neutral. Obviously, I believe all of these are going to be on paper. This one has, I can't remember, I think it was 35 extra pages, or 35 pages as opposed to the 30 pages that you get in your traditional sticker book, but they're all $22 each. So it's not an upcharge for this one. There we go. That is all for sticker books. This sticker book is absolutely gorgeous. First of all, I think this is the first time I've seen these like journaling type boxes, these bigger boxes in here. I have been loving these bigger boxes for my journals, but these are absolutely stunning. So there we go. We have functionally neutral, seasonally neutral, neutral elements, and neutral florals. So those are the 4 sticker books that have been released. Like I said, you can still get these individually. They are $22 each. You can use my discount code on individual sticker books. My discount code will make them $19.80. So definitely be sure to input that at the checkout. You can use my discount, my affiliate link down, which is going to be down in the description box. That will take you to the LiveLovePosh website. So there we go there. And like I said, we still have the little washi cutters. So they call these washi cutters because you can cut your washi with it. That's what it is. But now it's functional as well. All right, so let's do a quick plan with me so we can see these sticker books in action. It's going to be a really quick plan with me because this is what I'm using for my daily planner now is the Hemlock and Oak. Yes, I want a little seasonal, a little Christmas. I wanted to use it. So now I'm going to do Wednesday and Thursday here. And I do need to grab a pen. All right. Got my brush marker, my brush pen. I'm going to use neutral elements because I use this for work and home. To do this, I think I'm going to use one of these office sets because I have duplicates. That means I can go ahead and use one. Oh, I like that one too. We'll go ahead and use this one. So I don't decorate this a lot, but like when I get a new sticker book, I like to kind of show you guys how I tend to use it. So I can decorate a little bit more for Thursday. I know that. But for Wednesday, all right. So I use these markers to kind of do my to-do list. So I do work to-dos and then like personal to-dos. Obviously, my work day is pretty much most of my day. I feel like when I'm during the week, because you know after work you're too exhausted to do anything else. So that's why I'm putting my work is usually bigger, except for Thursday. Thursday I'm working on a project, so I don't have as much to write. And then I do balance out, like fill in things that I have to do by the hour over on that side. There we go. So that is my super short plan with me using the brand new sticker books, Neutral Elements from LiveLovePosh, as well as the quote from Functionally Neutral, and then some of the icons that I had myself that I use within my daily planning. So that's why I did that. But yeah, so yeah, if you're interested in any of the newest releases from LiveLovePosh, definitely click on the link down in the description box and use my discount code to save a little coin while you're there. All right, guys, thank you so much for tuning into this video. I really do appreciate each and every one of you. If you enjoyed it, please press that like button. And if you have yet to subscribe, I hope you would also consider subscribing to my channel. That is all I have for now. I hope you have a good rest of your day, evening, or night. Until next time, bye.